Hi, my name is Grandma Tachna and welcome to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today's recipe is Grandma Tachna's roast chicken. This is a very simple yet delicious roast chicken you can make anytime for your family and for whatever holiday you want. It only has a few vegetables. It has celery, carrots, potatoes. I have red onions and I have sweet onions, garlic, and for seasoning it's ketchup, seasonal salt, and pepper. And we have some water as well. That is basically it. Now remember though, this is a base recipe. You can add whatever you want to it. If you want to throw some oregano in it, that is great. If you want to bay leaves, there's health benefits to bay leaves, but I'm not going to get into that. So here we go, let's get started. I have my roasting pan. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. It is approximately 20 minutes per pound of chicken to cook it all the way through. That may depend on the altitude that you are living in. So I bet sea level, that's pretty much true. But I bet you Colorado Springs, we're like 7,000 feet. I bet it's more like 25 minutes. So that's why I'm going to use a meat thermometer and check it every once in a while. So here we go. In with the chicken. Let's get this aside. I'm just going to put the ketchup in the water first and mix it up. I do it this way just so the ketchup gets thinned out and will spread around everything a little easier. Doesn't take much. Okay. You can always add a little bit more water later if you need to, but that seems like 2 cups, maybe 2 more cups. With this size roasting pan, 4 cups of water is gonna do it. Let's throw our onions in. That's the red. Here's the sweet. I bet Grandma always used yellow onions, but you can change the recipe however you want. This is 5 cloves of garlic that I have chopped up. Seasonal salt. This is 1 tablespoon of seasonal salt. Just sprinkle it right over top and in the water. Seasonal salt seemed to be like one of the key ingredients in my family. We put seasonal salt on everything. Steaks, hamburgers. It just seems like the go-to. And just fresh ground pepper. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for 1 hour at first. Set the timer. So here's a couple key things. I'm not putting my vegetables in yet. It's going to take about 2 hours for the chicken to cook. It doesn't take 2 hours for potatoes and celery and carrots to cook. If you cook them that long, they just turn into mush, and no one likes mushy vegetables. So I'm just gonna wait an hour and then I'm gonna put this stuff in. Another key thing, most people hate celery. It seems flavorless, it doesn't seem to do too much, and it's stringy. Here's the key. Peel your celery like you would peel a carrot. Get all that hair off of it. That way, it won't be stringy tasting to kids, and they'll like it maybe a little better. So if I put all of this in about an hour after the chicken cooks, then this won't be mushy and it'll be a little crunchy and better tasting. Same with the potatoes and the carrots. So we're going to dump this in an hour. See you then. Okay, the timer just went off for 1 hour of roasting the chicken. Let's take it out, get the vegetables in, and check on it, see how it's doing. When an oven has been going for a while and you open it up, you never want to put your head in it because all that steam will come out and fry your eyeballs. My sister Lisa did that. There we go. I can't get it. There we go. Oh, that looks great. Okay, we are just gonna take the celery, dump it in, all the potatoes, get that in there, carrots, just mix it around a little bit. It's looking great. Exactly how I want it to be. Let's just take a baster. My wife just pointed out that I have 2 lone potatoes. Okay, in about an hour, I'm gonna check on it and see how it's going and make sure that it's cooking properly and it's at the right temperature. It's really funny. Earlier, before I started, I asked Alexa what the roasting temperature of chicken is, and she said 350 degrees, 20 minutes per pound. We just asked her again, and she said 375 degrees, 20 minutes per pound, with an internal temperature of 165. I wonder why she said 351s and then later said 375. I'm sure it'll all be fine. Back in for another hour. Okay, it has been an hour and 45 minutes, and I believe that the chicken is ready. I believe because I already checked it and the chicken is ready. Okay. Big reveal. It looks amazing. I'm just gonna fork the potatoes to see how they are. Absolutely perfect. They sunk right in. They're not too soft and they're not too hard. Let's check a carrot. Carrot is the exact same way. And the celery, everyone's favorite. Yeah, it's still nice and crunchy. That's perfect. Let's taste it really quick. It's hot. It tastes just how I remember it from my Grandma Tachna when she made it many, many years ago. It's absolutely delicious. The chicken is going to fall right off the bone. Everyone will enjoy this meal. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a wonderful day.